Affiliate marketing has the potential to generate passive income, but it typically requires an initial investment of time, effort, and ongoing maintenance. Passive income refers to earning money with minimal active involvement once the foundation is established. Here are some key points to consider regarding passive income in affiliate marketing. Building a foundation. Initially, building a successful affiliate marketing business requires significant effort, including creating high-quality content, building an audience, establishing relationships with merchants, and setting up promotional channels. This initial phase is typically not passive as it involves actively creating and implementing strategies to attract visitors and generate conversions. Content creation. Creating valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media content, is a core aspect of affiliate marketing. While content creation requires time and effort, it has the potential to generate passive income when the content remains accessible and continues to attract visitors over time. Evergreen content, which remains relevant and valuable for an extended period, can continue to generate income with minimal updates or maintenance. Automated systems. Utilizing automated systems, such as email marketing campaigns or sales funnels, can contribute to passive income generation in affiliate marketing. Once set up and optimized, these systems can work in the background, nurturing leads and driving conversions without constant manual intervention. Long-term revenue. As your affiliate marketing business matures, you may start to see recurring revenue from repeat customers or ongoing referrals. This can contribute to passive income as long as you maintain the relationship with your audience and continue to provide value. Maintenance and optimization. It's important to note that maintaining and optimizing your affiliate marketing business is necessary for sustained success. This involves monitoring and updating your content, adapting to market changes, exploring new opportunities, and continuously optimizing your promotional efforts. While this maintenance requires ongoing effort, it can help enhance the passive income potential of your affiliate marketing business.